Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to use the Higgsfield AI UGC Builder. Step 1. Access the Higgsfield AI website. Open your browser and go to higgsfield.ai and sign in or log into your account. Step 2. Start a new UGC project. Once you're inside the dashboard, click on the Create and then click UGC Builder from the available templates or modules. Step 3. Upload your media. You can now upload the product or lifestyle images that you want to use. Drag and drop your files or browse your computer to select them. You will need at least one image, but for best results, you can upload multiple angles. Step 4. Customize the AI script. You can go to the script section or action, audio text, and then Higgsfield will generate a suggested voiceover or script for your video. You can customize the tone, product details, and call to action. Step 5. Select your preferred avatar or style virtual presenter. You can also pick the layout for your final video, whether it's testimonial style, influencer pitch, or TikTok style storytelling. Step 6. Once everything is set, click Generate Preview and then the AI generated video will show. And then, if you are satisfied, you can now hit Export. The final file will be available in MP4 format for download or sharing. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.